Guys, I'm back with a new movie. Today, we're checking out a 2025 Southeast Asian horror release called The Cursed Island. Southeast Asian horror usually leans heavily on local folklore and religious themes, but this one ditches the traditional style and goes for pure South Seas terror. Filmed on location in tropical forests, the atmosphere feels incredibly real. In Malaysia, there's a small island that, from a distance, looks like a skull. Legend has it that over 200 years ago, it was inhabited by a group of indigenous people. But overnight, the entire village vanished. Some say a witch killed them, but no bodies were ever found. More than 2 centuries later, the island's story has faded from public memory. A group of young people, eager to prove their courage, decide to spend a night on the island. They think it will show off their bravery, not realizing they've stepped into a truly terrifying place. As soon as they arrive, Jessica is captivated by a beautiful bird. She chases it into the forest, and her friends, worried, follow her without noticing they're venturing deeper into the woods. When they finally stop, they find themselves in an abandoned village. The area is filled with creepy scarecrows, and a thick rope blocks the entrance, as if warning people to stay out. The village looks sinister and foreboding, but bold Daniel isn't afraid. He tears down the rope connecting the entrance.
Я знал. Ничего не будет.